In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a navigation bar in Canva 2025 for your website. This process is quick and easy, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek and functional navigation bar ready to enhance the user experience on your site. Let's get started. First, you'll want to be logged into your Canva account and have the project open to which you want to add the navigation bar. To begin, look for the Add Notes icon, which is typically found in the toolbar. Clicking this icon allows you to manage and organize your design effectively, adding a little note to remind you of the context or purpose of the design elements, especially when working with multiple pages. Next, move your attention to the top of your design area where you will be actually naming your navigation tabs. Here, consider what your primary pages or sections will be. Start by clicking on the placeholder text or empty area that can be named. For instance, you might call your first tab Home, as this is typically a standard entry point on any website. Think about other key sections you want to include, like About, Services, or Contact, whatever suits the structure of your website best. Once you've named your main tab, it's time to click on any other pages within your design environment that you'll want in your navigation bar. Each click will let you add a distinct name to that section or tab. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to easily navigate between pages as you label each one according to its function. After you've labeled your navigation components, the last step is to make sure everything is working perfectly before applying the final touches. Locate and click on the Preview button, which is usually positioned at the top corner of your screen. This feature is incredibly useful as it lets you see how everything will appear to your visitors and ensure all navigation links are properly set. It's like taking a moment to thoroughly test drive your creation before it goes live. Remember, the aesthetic and usability of your website largely depend on how intuitive and clean your navigation bar is. By following these simple steps, you can create a streamlined and visually appealing navigation system that enhances usability and improves the overall user experience. If you need to make further adjustments, Canva allows for easy edits, so you can refine your navigation bar until it's just right. So there you have it. You've successfully created a navigation bar in Canva 2025. With this tutorial, you're well on your way to constructing a professional looking website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out additional Canva features for even more creative possibilities.